Today's video is a little bit of a bonus video. It's actually for absolutely no purpose whatsoever other than absolute entertainment. So about a year ago, a friend of mine who was very supportive and helpful in me getting my channel up and off the ground, up and running, he created this little clip of a video for me. Just a few months ago, I was starting out all my videos like, hey, what's up you guys? And I would start every single one of my videos like that. Now my friend thought it was absolutely make funnable worthy. So you know what he did? He spent 4 hours creating this video that you guys are about to see. He downloaded, I think it was about 50 of my videos just to get that first little bit in every single one of my videos where I say, hey, what's up you guys? And he compiled them all in this little video. So sit back, have a laugh. At the end of this video, you're gonna be really sick of my intro. Hey, what's up you guys? I was supposed to upload and share this video a long time ago, but I never got around to doing it. So here we are nearly a year later after this particular video was created. But anyway, better late than never. Thanks to Nathan Hamilton for being such a supportive friend. Thanks, my friend. You are always near and dear to my heart. And so here is now your video and your work seeing the light of day and being shared to the world. Enjoy, guys. Hey, what's up you guys? 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 Hey, what is up you guys? Hey, what's 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 up you guys? It's Judy here with my life as Kikay.